Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Android hotspot from the list of available networks. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone, and then you're going to tap on the connection setting, and after that you can tap on the mobile hotspot and tethering. Okay, then tap on the mobile hotspot, and after that you can tap on the configure option and click on the advanced right here, and you just need to tap on the toggle button to hide your network. Tap on this toggle button, and now as you can see, your mobile hotspot name will appear in the list of available Wi-Fi networks, and you're going to save the setting. Tap on the save button, and now the setting has been saved, and that's how we can hide our Android hotspot from the list of available networks. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.